Is a boat covered under homeowners insurance? Some small rowboat types are covered for certain perils. Larger boats need their own type of coverages. You should list any larger boat with outboard or inboard type motor on a separate policy to make sure your investment is covered. Boats are not cheap. With some companies you can list your boat on your homeowner's policy by listing it on a floater for a certain declared value. The boat itself is covered specifically for $1,500 on watercraft of all types, including their trailers, furnishings, equipment and outboard engines or motors. Liability is covered if the boat is under 26 feet in length and has a horsepower of less than 25 horsepower. Boat policies are relatively to auto policies cheap. Comprehensive on boats, unlike cars, is the expensive coverage, especially on newer, more expensive boats. In the UK, some homeowners insurance policies allow cover to be extended to include small dinghies and yachts. This is not automatic, however, and as usual people should speak to an insurance broker for advice. Sure is. At least in Canada. Our homeowner or rental insurance policy has recreational vehicles covered as an additional premium on your household insurance. We have boats, ATV, farm tractor and snowmobiles covered on our house insurance policy. If the primary use of an item is on public roads, it gets added to vehicle insurance. Our cars, trucks, trailers and motorcycles are under vehicle policy. A homeowner's policy may provide minimal coverage for a boat. However, a home policy is not designed, nor is it a good source of coverage for a boat of any size or value. Though this answer provides a homeowner's policy example, it is essential to know that policies can and do differ widely in coverage, limitations, and exclusions. Let's also establish that boat owners have two primary exposures to loss. 1. Physical damage to the boat itself. 2. Liability for injury to others. A plain vanilla ISO HO3 homeowners policy references both physical damage and liability coverage for watercraft. However, a home policy significantly limits coverage for losses to boats. A standard ISO homeowner policy provides up to $1,500 coverage for an unendorsed watercraft. The types of losses covered include fire, lightning, windstorm and hail, only while inside a fully enclosed building, explosion, riot, civil commotion, vehicles, smoke, vandalism, theft. However, the peril of theft is not included for losses that occur off the residence premises. As you can see, the types of losses covered by a homeowner's policy for a boat are limited in several ways. It is important to note that losses common to watercraft such as stranding, sinking, collision with another vessel or object are not a covered type of damage. In addition, $1,500 is not a significant limit.